Hello, my name is René Kim. An unboxing video, Equator. Works like magic. I'm sitting here to make an unboxing video of my new loudspeakers from Equator. And those speakers is awesome. They can play both things. Either the nerdish way, where you sit and you prepare your mix and do really nicely, and then you yank the volume up to 11, and then you have the most awesome sound. It is quite cool. No matter whatever you try to get those speakers to speak, you know what I mean. They just draw on their shoulders and say, "Don't you have another one? Don't you have anything else, boy?" I got them from the Scandinavian distributor of Equator Burning Pro Audio Division. Check them out. There's links down in the description of this video. As you can see, you have, let me see one time, you have a sensitivity knob here. You have your XLR connection and your, I don't know what that is called, jack. Yeah, it's called jack connection. And the thing that's very special about those monitors are the boundary settings that is set here. 3 settings, 1 which is in the corner, 2 is off wall, and number 3 is freestanding. And believe me, that means a great deal when you are using those monitors. I will return with a deeper review of the D5 monitors, but I know for sure I'm not going to be disappointed, definitely not.